Representing Uzbekistan, Islamjon Bakhramov. Silver medalist, representing Japan, Kenichiro Fumita. Gold medalist and world champion in Greco-Roman at 60 kilograms from Kyrgyzstan, Жоламан Шаршенбеков. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Kyrgyzstan. The 2023 World Championship medalists in Greco-Roman at 60 kilograms.
It was one of the higher scoring gold medal matches we have had in quite some time. 17 points were put up onto the board, and that was after 3 minutes of wrestling in the first period. But in the end, it was Жоламан Шаршенбеков of Kyrgyzstan winning his second consecutive world title, a wild one for gold at 60 kilos. And Szarszembekov, the Olympian, now a four-time world medalist. 2 golds, 2 silvers. Some final poses for the media with the belt and the gold medal. Something that is becoming a mainstay for Kyrgyzstan at this particular weight, at 60 kilos. It was fun. Šaršenbekov back into the finals for the 4th time, matched up against the high-flying Fumita from Japan. And boy, they were flying, both of them, back and forth in the first period. 17 points put up on the board. Ended up with Kyrgyzstan an 11-6 victory.